Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 BMW X7. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Front and back door look excellent here. I'm not seeing a scratch on them at all. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the back of the SUV. Starting with the trunk, everything here looks fine on the trunk. I do not see any scratches, and the back bumper looks perfect as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect as well. No scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door look good. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents at all. Okay, and now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look have a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's take a look at the door panel. Okay, the window switches look fine, and everything on the door panel is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the back seat. Okay, back here looks perfect as well. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. The seat looks good. Let's take a look at the door panel. Alright, I'm not seeing anywhere on this door panel at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. Okay, so the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that everything here looks fine. I do not see any wear and tear here at all. Let's move on to the steering wheel. Steering wheel buttons are in good condition. I'm not seeing any wear on it. Let's have a look around it. Okay, everything here looks perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.